If you want to charge other devices with your POCO X8 Pro, then in that case you can use a USB cable. We have only wired power sharing option or wired reverse charging. Unfortunately, the wireless option is not supported on this phone. So if you want to charge other devices, you have to use a USB cable. And then with the USB cable, you can just simply connect your POCO X8 Pro to another device. So this can be a smartphone, this can be a Bluetooth device that has USB port, anything that can be charged with USB. And there we go, then you should be able to start charging immediately. But in case your POCO X8 Pro is going to be the one that is being charged, if it is the one that is being charged, that is, then you can change that and you can switch it around. So I'm gonna show you based on this phone over here. If you go to notifications, you can find charging this device via USB. You can tap on this notification, and then over here you can choose reverse charging. So then you switch it up and you start charging the other phone. So this is especially, of course, this is how it looks like, especially when you charge two devices, two smartphones, if you have two smartphones and they are connected together. So you can go to this option over here, to this notification, and then you can switch reverse charging, and then you should be able to charge this phone, this other phone. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.